Welcome back, Smile Jammers. Well, Christmas has come and gone, and if you've stuffed yourself during the festive season and right now you're regretting it, don't worry. There's always Detox. Founder and president of, is it Body?
Yes.
Body or Body?
Body.
Body. Misha Gay, Mattis Wilson, them always coming so fancy spelling, is here to get us back on track. Good morning, Misha Gay.
Good morning.
Body
Thanks for
spelled
having me.
Bodhi. First of all, what is detoxing?
All right, detoxing is basically just to get rid of. That's really what it is. To cleanse, to remove.
Right.
That's really what detox is.
Okay.
Plain and simple.
So people have different ways, and I mean, this is Jamaica, so we always have the traditional things that we'll do when we're going back to school.
Precisely.
And so on. What's the best way, though? Because some ways I think can dehydrate you.
There's a misconception when we think about detox or cleansing. You hear people saying that, okay, I'm going on a 3-day cleanse or a 5-day cleanse. But the truth is the body itself is designed to detox on a daily basis.
Okay.
Yes. So what we're here to do today is just to show you some simple ways in which you can help the body to detox, to cleanse, and just remove toxicity on a daily basis rather than having to go on that 3 or 5-day detox. Because the truth is we want to help the body to rid the system of all toxicity on a daily basis.
And is that the main effect of detoxing, that it cleanses the body, it rids the body?
Cleanses the body, and it builds the body immune system, which is the body's basic defense mechanism, which protects against most non-communicable diseases.
Well, Misha, you're saying it's for cleansing, but most people detox because I think it's gonna help them to lose weight.
which is another big misconception.
Yes. Oh, well, clarify it for me, please. Yes.
I mean, the truth is, if we want to lose weight, it's all about maintaining a lifestyle. And the truth is, detox is, like I said, it's a daily activity, and it helps to be a part of that lifestyle, because once you're eating the proper food, which is the fruits and the vegetables,
the body will detox.
The body will detox itself. Once you're exercising, these are some of the things that we will go into, the body will detox itself. Once you are sleeping well, the body will detox itself. And all of these things actually aids in weight loss or maintaining a healthy body weight.
All right. How often should we detox?
Like I said, this is a daily process. Yeah, daily process,
right.
Yes.
But I mean, apart from the, all right,
but
I'm hearing you.
But for some people, all right, let's say, for example, now we know the Christmas season just ended. And, usually research has shown that throughout the Christmas season, we can increase our body weight by anywhere between 10 and 5%, as crazy as it may seem, with all the ham, the sorrel, and, all the processed food and all those extra calories that we're consuming. Right. So I guess in a case like this, when you just want to rid the system, and,
like
just to get like a big one, yes, and just to get a fresh start, then this would work perfectly. So yes, you can detox after that major holiday season, just to give yourself, say, hey, let's get going, revitalize the system and just start infusing some fresh fruits, vegetables, and just start a whole new regime. So now is a great time to detox, the start of the year.
All right, we have a couple of easy ways to do that, but before we get to that, you brought quick and easy for us this morning.
Yeah, a quick and easy juicing, which is what I call a fresher. It's called a refresher. And one of the #1 ways in which we can detox is by increasing our intake of greens. Greens are the most powerful fruits and vegetables on the planet, particularly leafy greens. And some of the leafy greens that you have kale, spinach, you have callaloo, you have pak chow. And the truth is, greens, leafy greens particularly, is one of those vegetables, that we don't get a lot into our diet, because a lot of people are turned off by the taste. So now we're going to infuse it with some other fruits and vegetables, to make it in a nice drinkable format. And like we said, this is a great way to just help and flush the system, give your system a rest from all the chewing that we've been doing. And it's just a nice infused drink that will just leave you feeling refreshed. And it also helps you to go to the bathroom.
Okay, yes.
All right, so let's just get going. And we're pairing it with what we have here is we have 2 cups of spinach. Kale would work just fine. Any leafy greens that you have on hand. We have 2 carrots. Let's just get the juicer in the meantime. We have 2 carrots, and we have 1 cucumber, and we have some lemon and ginger. These are perfect.
Let me take it.
Yes, these are perfect detoxifying vegetables or herbs, as we'd like to say. So now we're just going to get going with our cucumbers.
I like this juice.
And cucumbers are they contain a lot of juice. So if you are trying to juice on a budget, you want to get a lot of cucumbers in your diet, and they're also very refreshing. It's a great vegetable to add to your diet. And we're using some apples. Now, usually I would recommend our local apples, but the truth is these apples are available all year round, so you always have them on hand. But once our local apples are in season, I recommend to always try to get those. And now we're gonna get some carrots.
So the juice is gonna come out one end.
Yes,
and
the juice comes out one, yes, and the trash or the pulp or the fibers, they like to call it, it comes out at the opposite end.
All right. Is this the open?
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
There you go.
Misha get come in a fret away, you know. May I say some juice?
And now we're just gonna stuff. We're just gonna stuff our greens.
Yes. So that's our kale. And the apple will give it a little sweet taste.
There you go.
Piece of your kale got away.
Yeah, that's okay. We'll take that out in a few. Oops.
Yeah. Take your time. Take your time. That's a lot of kale. I'll tell you what.
This is 2 cups, 2 cups of leafy greens. And like we said, it's a great way to meet your daily intake of fruits and vegetables. Because right here, if you look at what we have in our bowl, you realize that through just by having one juice or a smoothie, you can meet your intake of fruits and vegetables.
All right. Adding some ginger, and the ginger will kind of spice up the taste.
It adds that little kick to it.
Yes.
And the ginger also contains great detoxifying properties.
Yes.
All right, let's just cut this in a smaller
bit.
There we go.
This juicer looks, I wonder if it's easy to clean, Chefy.
Actually, yes, it is, and this is what we call a mastificating juicer. It's a slow juicer, so it doesn't uses a lot of heat. That way, it preserves a lot of the enzymes in the fruits and vegetables when we're juicing them.
Boy, things and times have changed. First time you're juicing cucumber, you know what you have to do. Now it's easier, and you retain a lot more of the nutrients because of the way that it's being done. All right, Misha, I like it. And you recommend it. You know what I also like about it is, as you said, some people really don't like chewing the leafy green. They prefer.
So when you fuse it with your fruits and vegetables, then it gives you a more palatable taste.
Yes.
Yeah.
Drinking it is also easier than eating it for me. I'll drink the vegetable juice, but to sit down and eat them, I'm not gonna lie, may not happen. Right.
And who said that greens are our most powerful fruits and vegetables, so you want to always try to get those in your diet. If you don't get any other fruits or vegetables in your diet, do not sleep on the value of your greens. Greens are very powerful. They contain antioxidant property, they're antiviral, they're anti-inflammatory, and they're antiviral. So when you want to talk about building the immune system, that is your greens. No, I already used half of a lemon.
That's what I didn't see when you put it in.
Yeah.
So you just put the lemon in the juice as well?
Yes. You can peel it or you can't. It depends on your preference. All right, here we go. So I think this should do it for now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna get.
All right. And while she's sharing that, there's 7 easy ways to detox. Again, leafy greens every single day. It's not just every now and then. Every single day. I'm gonna move the glasses to the front for you, Misha.
That's okay. Thank you.
Buy a dry brush before showering in the morning. Dry brush to stimulate your lymphatic system and reveal glowing, smooth skin. Drink plenty of water. Everything people tell them, I say they drink all the water. Drink plenty of water, period.
About 8 ounce glasses of water works well for the body. And also, depends on how active you are, then you'd want to consume more water. Because water does a great job at flushing the system. So our colon can get very sticky and toxic if it's not properly lubricated, and we can become constipated. So when we're consuming enough water, it helps to detox the system, and it just helps all our vital organs to function properly, and it enables us to go through the bathroom, which is a great way of detoxing just by urinating or just by passing the feces.
All right, so drink plenty of water. Focus, meditate for 10 to 20 minutes in the morning to reduce stress. which is a major cause of disease-causing inflammation, by the way, stress.
And sometimes we just want to give ourselves a little time, you know, a little break from all this technology. So just by being present in the moment and in time, anywhere, I recommend people can start by just meditating for 2 minutes. You don't have to go all the way to 10 minutes, particularly if you're new to it.
All right, we have to go. I'll just say the other two. Start with plants and drink your bloat away. Incorporate veggies and herbs into your diet to reduce bloat and stimulate the liver. All right, Misha Gay, where can we find you and Body?
Well, I'm at 72B Hope Road, and I'm a certified holistic health coach. So basically, I work with corporate companies as well as I work with individuals just to encourage them to maintain that path, you know, get on that path to health and wellness. So we look beyond the diet. We focus on stress management, weight management, just overall a healthy lifestyle.
All right, wonderful. I have an artist I want you to work on.
No doubt.
All right. Misha Gay Mattis Wilson, founder and president of Body. After the break, we look at different New Year's traditions around the world. I'm going to get myself some green juice, and then we'll be right back.